It is 6 o'clock on Sunday morning. If Sylvan will get out of the way, I'll check on the babies. Come on, Daddy. They're alive! They're alive! What do you think, Daddy? What do you think, huh? Oh, they're so pretty. Look at this white one. I guess it could be not white, but like it looks so white. One. Ooh, here's a silvery one. 2, 3. Another white one. It's amazing how fast their fur grows in. That's 4. 5, really pretty dark one. 6, really pretty chocolate one. 7, really pretty light one. 8, black spotted one, or speckled. 9, wound baby. Oh, look at that paw. It's getting so much better. The front paw was the worst. The back paw's doing much better. The tail wound, nose wound, all going so good. I've lost count. Really pretty silvery one, and then an orange one. Oh my gosh, you guys, a pure orange baby? I forgot till just now. I love pure orange babies. I'm used to them being so normal furred, and orange is such a normal color in our normal fur babies, that having an Angora version of that, though, it's going to be gorgeous. Our last rabbit we had, he was a lilac tort. So for the most part, he was entirely orange. And let me tell you, whenever I would groom him, and especially when I was plucking him, it was like plucking sunshine. It was just fluffy and yellow and bright and gorgeous. And with Zsholtie, I mean, her fur is orange too, but it's also mixed in with the brown because she's like a harlequin. So it's not quite the same, though it is a lot similar. But I just loved it. I'll see if I can get a picture up. But it was like sunshine, pure sunshine. It was beautiful. So I really want like a really light, beautiful orange kit. Maybe to raise up and have for fiber. I keep finding myself falling in love with these babies more and more and more. So none of them might actually be butchered this time. I might just keep them all. They don't look fed yet, which is okay. It's only 6 o'clock. Some of them still look very full leftover from last night. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. But it is very possible that when I leave in the next few hours of the morning, she'll come feed them. Maybe I'll come check back later and make sure. Okay, you guys back up. It is going to warm up today, but it's still kind of cool. So just double check. Oh, I forgot to count. Hopefully we didn't lose any. I don't think we lost any. That's so exciting. I really hope they survive and grow up and live long lives and have lots of babies, because I really, really want to add these guys to my herd. But I should probably get back to morning chores, and I'll see you guys later today. Good evening. I'm going to check on the babies. It's Sunday evening. Looks like we have some dead ones. Hey, get back. Sorry, we have Roxy out, so she has to learn to behave herself. Leave it. Leave it. Good, leave it. Good, leave it. Good girl. It looks like this one's alive. It looks like they've been fed, so this one's alive. Oh, this one's alive too? Oh my gosh. Look at the pee, though. It's all yellow, like white and weird. So this one's alive, barely. The heat probably really did him in. It was really warm today. This one, these ones are all alive, but these 3 don't look very fed. This one looks fed. Let's check the pile in the back. So that's 5, 6 looks fed, 7 looks fed. Let me pause. Good, Roxy, good, Roxy, good girl. 8, ooh, 8 looks fed. 9 looks fed. 10 looks fed. 11, maybe I counted wrong, because there should be only 11, but looks like there's 12. So this one is fed, kind of a little bit. Ooh, it's all wet and pee too. So I guess that's good. I'll kind of pull the straw up a little bit and get their bedding all ready. I'll put them all in tonight since they're all still alive. But it looks like we might be losing our first batch of babies tomorrow. Oh, Zsholtie, are you being a defensive mama? Yeah, is this dog gonna eat your babies? Don't worry, she's not gonna eat them. Don't worry. But you're doing a good job protecting. Alright. We're done. Hopefully, at least some of them survive. Because it's a few hours later on Sunday night, and I was coming out here to do something else, and I figured I might as well just check the babies again. Oh my gosh. They're alive. I thought for sure they'd die. The ones that got so weird from the heat. Just doesn't look like they got fed, though. 10. Oh, this one's the weird one with the weird stuff on his bottom, and it's kind of squeaking oddly. and 11. Oh, 11's dead. I think 10 is gonna die too, so maybe I'll just take him out and put him out of his misery. So there are now 9. Oh, let's check on Moon Baby. Nose is healing, tail is healing, back foot, front foot, doing really good. So we'll cover the rest up. I'm glad we could get the 2 dead ones out of there. It's so warm that it probably wouldn't be that bad. But, well, not this one's technically dead. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I should leave it in. But, like, look how odd it's acting. Maybe still has a chance. Yeah, let's give it a chance again. Let's give it a chance. Alright, so we're down to 10. It's so warm that a dead baby who would usually chill the rest of the litter probably won't chill them if it's so warm out. Hey, Fang, I have a treat. Good boy, good boy. Oh, so good. That was so polite. Thanks for helping clean up. So, still doing pretty good. Looked like they'd been fed. Most of them didn't die from the heat. We'll check back tomorrow. It's now Monday, and I brought the camera out here a little later than I was wanting to. I checked on them this morning, but didn't film. But I'm now checking on them with you guys. Looks like everyone is very hot, which is to be expected since it is very hot. This little white one, it has a huge, huge belly. That's really good to see. I'm glad they're spreading out well. This little one also has a big belly. She did feed them this morning. This one's kind of the smaller, runtier one, but it does have some food in it. And then this Cambria baby, who was looking really bad last night and not very fed, has some, maybe a little bit. I don't know if it got fed this morning. Maybe a tiny bit, but not that much. But it's still alive. This is little wound baby. Oh, you're not very fed. But it looks like your wounds are healing well. This one is a chunkers. Look at this belly. And I believe that this kit was the one who had the weird pea stains on it and looked really bad and I was going to almost kill. But it's still alive and has a chance of getting fed and going back to normal, so I'm so glad I didn't butcher it. So nothing much has changed. Some are being fed, some aren't. No further deaths of heat. I'll see you guys later today. Monday evening has arrived. It's possible that it's too early in the evening for Mama to have fed them. And if that's the case, that's alright. I'll come check back later tonight as well. Hey, Mommy. Hi. I don't have any food for you right now. I'm sorry. Oh, you guys look all patchy and kind of wet. Oh, maybe you did get fed. It looks like some poop and peas coming out, and the belly looks full. Oh, this is wound baby. Isn't looking so good. The back foot is doing okay. The bottom's doing okay. Nose is okay. Don't nibble me. Don't nibble me, Mommy. Ear is okay. Front foot doesn't look super okay. And it looks like it peed a whole bunch. It's kind of stiff and weird a little bit. But I guess that's okay. It's still alive. Mommy, would you just leave me alone? You keep nibbling me. I don't really like that. I know you want some food. I can't give you any food right now. Just leave me alone, okay? This is a very full belly. Little chocolate baby. Looks pretty fed. Did you feed them so early in the evening? That's good. This baby looks really big. They all look like they peed recently. I guess that would make sense, peeing during feeding time. Then these 3, this Cambria one doesn't look fed. The orange one doesn't look fed either. And then this other color that I can't really tell what it is, doesn't look fed either. So 1, 2, 3, 4 no feds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feds. So I guess that's still good. A majority of them are nursed. I'll put you all back here. It's cooling off, but not cool enough yet to where I'm going to cover them up. But that's good that none of them died from heat stroke today. It's better than yesterday. I'll come check back later tonight. It's the final check of Monday night. I see everybody alive. Oh, this guy don't look so good. You're acting almighty weird. Oh my gosh. Well, we'll see. But it's cool enough that I'm gonna cover them up with some bedding, keep them warm for the night. We'll check back tomorrow morning. See you then. Good morning. I just woke up. Tuesday morning is upon us. Gonna check the babies. Does not look like they've been fed yet this morning, which is alright. 1 baby's good, 2 babies good, 3 babies alive but not very good, 4, 5. Oh, this is tiny little Cambria. Look at that. Maybe it's nothing, but it looks like, I don't know, maybe a tiny bit of a milk belly. Number 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, little wound baby is not looking good. Look at how it's positioned. It's like all rigor mortis-y. Yeah, this baby is not gonna survive. So I'm gonna cull this one, but these 9 are alive, even though some of them are super skinny. It's still early in the morning. Mama has yet to feed them. Maybe I don't know, last time I thought I should cull one. It ended up not needing to be culled. Maybe I should not cull this one. I don't know. Maybe I will. It probably will die on its own anyway. Okay, so I'll probably leave them uncovered since it's the beginning of a day that's supposed to be really warm again. So, Mommy, whenever you're ready, you can nurse them, okay? Go ahead, whenever you want. It's later in the morning, and it's very obvious that these babies were fed. Look at that awesome belly. The 3 white ones are fed. The lilac one is also super fed. The rest of them look pretty skinny. The patchy one's really skinny. Oh, there's some poop stuck to you. Let me get that poop off. The Cambria looking one's really skinny. The chocolate one's skinny. Oh, this orange one looks fed. It was skinny before, but now it has a little belly. Do you see that? See the little milk? It's like a different color. That's so cool. And then, oh, it looks kind of orange too. Maybe it's a tort, but it has a little belly too, so that's good. So 1, 2, 5, 6 fed. 3 not very fed, but still alive. Zsholtie, stay in, please. Okay, the Tuesday evening check on the babies reveals that most of them are still alive. Orange baby, full belly. White baby, full belly. White baby, full belly. Oh, this one's still pretty skinny. That's not a good sign. Lilac one, full belly. No, you can't jump out. I'm sorry. You have to stay in, Mommy. Patchy one, still kind of skinny. Orangey one, still kind of skinny. Oh, this white one's really full and looks like it peed recently. Oh, and little chocolate one's kind of, maybe not, maybe it's not full. It looks like all the full ones remained full, all the non-full ones remained unfull. Nope, I'm sorry, you have to stay in. All the non-full ones are still alive, so that's good. You know, it'd be nice if you nursed all of them. There's only 9. It's not that many.